For today's video, we have partnered up with Ritual. I finally found a high quality multivitamin I can trust. I start every day off with Ritual's Essential for Women. It's a multivitamin formulated to support key nutrient needs for women aged 18 to 49. I also benefit from taking Ritual's Hyacera daily skin hydration supplements. Hyacera is a once daily skin support supplement with 2 clinically proven ingredients, Ceratique and Hyabest, which helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. For 25% off your first order, go to www.ritual.com/Huyana Beauty. I will leave the link in the description. Thanks, Ritual. Hey baby girls, I've got Helen in the studio today and I'm going to be restoring her hard-working feet back to life. Helen suffers with thickening and dry hard skin on the bottoms of her feet, and her toenails often cause her discomfort from impacted nails due to trauma. She usually goes to a chiropodist for this sort of work, but she couldn't get in, so I'm going to help her out today. Her feet have already been soaking in the foot spa, so I'm now ready to tackle the hard skin. I start by using my foot blade to gently glide away the thick top layer of the hard skin. I do this with very light pressure to ensure this is only taking away the dead skin. Okay, so you guys in my last video recommended an electric file. So I went ahead and purchased this on Amazon, and it was about as useful as a chocolate teapot. Honestly, it was horrendous. So I went back to my OG foot file. So I used the paddle and I used some serious elbow grease to try reduce all the dry skin, the calluses and any rough spots on the bottom of her feet. And a funny story, Corey went and put a mask on. I think he was a bit worried that all the dust was going to get up his nose. Her chiropodist never takes her hard skin fully off, as her feet would feel super sensitive and even painful, so I just tried to get as much of the thicker stuff off before I went in with my electric file. And I used this just to further thin the thicker, more stubborn areas of the dry skin. If you'd like to support my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It means so much and it means I can do more videos like this for you guys. I then sprayed the feet with quesos, mandarin spritz to clean the dust and sanitize the feet. I then used Sanctuary Spa Heel Balm to hydrate the feet whilst I worked on the toes. I start off by cutting the toenails. Helen likes her toenails short and her chiropodist usually rounds her nails as she usually gets a buildup of dead skin cells in her sidewalls. I then changed to nippers so I could get in at a better angle with the thicker nails. I then go in with my electric drill to file any of the thicker toenails. Helen's toenails are thicker due to nail trauma, for example, sports and lifestyle. I then just neaten up the shape using a hand file. I then spritz the nails to get rid of all the dust before I then start with the cuticle work. Now it's time for the cuticle work. I use my cuticle blade to remove all buildup of dead cuticles. This is one of my favourite things to do. I can't tell you how satisfying this bit is. Then it's time to trim the cuticles, and I also go in on the side walls and try and get rid of all that dead skin and cuticle build-up down those edges. And you can slowly see the transformation coming along. And this is where Corey wishes I was left-handed, so my stupid hands wasn't always in front of the camera. Another spray of the mandarin spritz just to get rid of all the dust off the nail plate. I then use my nail buffer and shiner to polish up the nails and make them look super healthy and gorgeous. And to finish the nails, I use some cuticle oil by CND called Solar Oil. This is so amazing. Honestly, it smells like pure marzipan and it is just one of my favourite cuticle oils. Just look at these nails. What a transformation. I then spray the feet so all the balm is removed, so the feet are now prepped and clean, ready for the massage. I'm using Queso's Mandarin foot lotion to soothe and nourish the feet while I perform a foot massage. And if you can't remember what these feet look like, just take a look at these. Just look how much more hydrated and smooth these feet look. Like I said earlier, I didn't want to take every bit of hard skin off because these would have felt uncomfortable, but these look a million times better. And the toenails literally look like different toenails. Look how gorgeous and tidy these look. I've managed to get rid of all that dry excess skin down the cuticles, and it's just made them look so much healthier. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.